Yo, what's up? Good morning guys. You know, this is Sir Tivan here. Wow!
Aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
Kauban na mo karon ng Yamaha Owners Club guys. Year end ride na mo karon. Actually, mga tumi karon sa Buda guys. Ano na mga tumi? Buda Hills View mi karon guys. So, kita kits.
I just wanna be happy tonight.
So, ato na mi guys. Bago pa sila kaabot guys. Mga 15 minutes. So, mga to may karon ng Buda guys. Kay year end ride sa amo ang grupo. Shoutout Boss Pads. Shoutout Pres AJ. Alright. So, mga to may karon. So, jump up na mo. Time check. It's 5 na guys. 5:30 naman tingali guys. So, ang weather is ambot lang. Hindi kayo ko ng weather guys. So, hopefully guys, favorable ang weather karon guys. And also natagak ang akong GoPro. Paita kinabuhi. Woo! Tara. Shoutout Boss Nel. Yay, kadya. So, bira, larga. Gamba. So, mayroon tag effective niya akong gibutang nga kan guys. Kung gibutang nga may tiban. Effective siguro may tiban kasi may tiban eh. Sana all, naka-shifter na. Wala ka oy. Sada kayo bay. Hiwi oy. Hiwi. Ha? Gitoyo nga hiwi. Oh ba? Ah, day. Gitoyo day. Sana all, na-endure ko. Manglibak na pod ni karon. So, let's go. So, wala ko na gloves karon guys kay alanganin ikon. So, let's go. Birada, Postland. Ay! Birada karon, minaswasa.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. One day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh,
So niya may karon dere guys, tumahaw mi diri sa unsa kay diri press?
Buito na.
Buito na. Eh,
Pud daw.
udaw sir. Unsa man gyud?
Bilons.
Bilons Food House. Saan?
Bilons.
Bilons Food House.
Ikat ka mag-English ngayon na.
Grabe mga English ka ganda. So mahaw sa may karon dere guys, kay gutom kayo. Ang usa ka tao
Grabe kagutom guys, grabe.
Ang usa ka tao gutom.
Usap panganap.
Idol nga kan guys.
Pagkatao, puro gutom.
Solohin mo yan.
Idol guys nga ka ng murag tao.
Akong kan,
Usap mga kay nayupak.
akong mentor. Ayay! Ako mentor sa vlogging guys.
Yate yung ginto.
Mentor.
Pasensya na po. Sumakabilang panty kasi ako eh. Ganito ko na kasi ang pag-vlog ngayon.
Adilente.
Kagit ba't anak eh?
Bunga nga mo!
Timing kay pali wala nagulon karon ba?
Nag-init daw, nindot yung buda ka rin.
Ayos kay karon ba? Ang kanindot diri guys kasi 5 ra daw kanon guys. Di karon impas yun ang kanon di karon.
Kanang dili alkanse.
Busas ba?
Sila ni. Pasapay na.
So mamahaw sa amin kay grabe taas kay linya guys. Pinood ko. So baka na kada isa ka tao ani guys. Kada isa ka tao kay 5 man daw kanon, isa ka tao 4.
Pero,
Puro gutom.
ay karoy ba? Pasabay karoy.
So sige guys, mamahaw sa may karon guys. Balik kami. So, mananamig kaon guys. So, back to Winaswasa na sad ba ni? Winaswasa na sad siguro. Winaswasa na sad tani kalaki na to ani karon. Sige.
Since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Ay, Barbie! Yawa na lubag, kibalibag na may movie. Tasty na gini ron. Kibalibag naman na nimo. Abi na ko, baka magpabo yun eh.
You've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending.
Saka ta dari dapita. Kasuudan ni nga. taas po nga biyahe nga. Kapoy kay guys, taas kay biyahe guys.
Kaya nag-pixel? Pixel yun. Nicole. Winter man. Exist. Pixel ba? Iya.
So niya may karon diri guys sa Benua Farm. Woo, grabe. Benua. Benua.
Bemwa.
Benua di Banua bro.
Banwa!
Bemwa.
Kami diri sa Benua Farm. Puro tanom diri bro. May mga cake donan. Cake ba sige kita himo cake atong tanom nga mukaon mi tugan.
Usap na na panata karon sa Bemwa guys. Kauban ang yak bali nasag. Yay. Tigayon sa ilang you're in. Right? Adong masalamat sa pagsuporta sa mga tagiya sa mga okasyon.
Kamus Kuya Aljun no.
Okay. Kung kumano mo ito sa mga stasyon, gusto magtakna, ingat mo sa dulo noon. Kaya John, bye-bye!
Bang! So mana na may picture dire guys. Wala day ko gi-picture. Mana yung picture pero wala ko yung picture.
Wash out.
Visit mo sa shop ni Madam guys. Ah.
Monsi on board ga, monsi mo to work.
So ambot asa may padulong karon guys kay murag ambot lang. Kaya ka dia bro. Matutas igol. Mana na may dire sa Benua Farm guys. So ambot lang. Kita atas dalan guys. So, pauli na may guys. Alright. So, pauli na may and grabe nga biyahe. Dili kayo. Tinja kayo guys kung wala kayo kastorya-storya guys kay kuan kayo karon, bulog kayo karon. Bitaw guys. Thank you kayo kay nakabisit mo diri sa Benua Farm. Alright. Sa Benua Farm. Sada kayo. So, dire dapita wala ko kabalo asa nga lugar basta unahan sa Quezon ang kanang Benua Farm guys. So guys, daya siguro na ko yan ang vlog guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel guys. So, you know who this is. So, tip it out. Peace!